Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from XMO to your Trezor wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to secure your Solana tokens in a hardware wallet like Trezor, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have your XMO account set up with some Solana in it, and that your Trezor wallet is properly configured and connected to your computer. Trezor is a fantastic hardware wallet because it keeps your keys offline, reducing the risk of hacks. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trezor suite or whatever interface you're using for Trezor. Go to your Solana wallet address. You'll need this to receive the funds. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 2. Log into your XMO account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and find your Solana balance. Click on Withdraw next to Solana. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address. Paste the one you copied from Trezor. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. XMO might ask for a network fee, so check that out. Double-check the address and amount to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm, and you might need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. Step 4. Once confirmed, sit back and wait. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes, especially for Solana, which is known for its speed. Keep an eye on your Trezor wallet to see when the funds arrive. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Solana from XMO to Trezor. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and keep your software updated in 2025, as crypto tech evolves fast. If you run into any issues, check XMO's support or Trezor's resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.